Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am on a roll tonight with videos. I have my package here from the brown sugar box. And here is this month's brown sugar baby. I know that there are eyelashes. I know that those are eyelashes on her shirt, but I'm not crazy about her shirt. It looks a little weird. But I do like her hair. So this box is the 1 year anniversary brown sugar box mailing. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. I'm a little bit late recording and uploading, but I refrained from watching any reviews because I didn't want to spoil this month's box for myself. So let's dive right in. Well, let's see if I can get the box open. Okay. So there are the book and a special mailer on the top and the infamous pink fluff. There is a note about this month's box. It says, due to circumstances beyond our control, the makeup brush kit that is listed in this month's brown sugar box mini magazine was delayed and not delivered to us as promised in time to make it into this month's box. Rather than delay the shipping of your box, we have replaced this item with 2 alternate items. We did not have time to reprint the entire magazine to reflect this without holding up shipping, so please accept this insert as an amendment to the mini size magazine. The makeup brush set has been replaced with 2 items. The first is an NYX Love in Paris eyeshadow palette with a retail value of $10. So NYX, I've used their stuff before. I wouldn't worry about that breaking my face out. And then the second one is a seed beaded hoop earring, retail value of $9. The revised total retail value of this month's box is $132. We hope you enjoy this box and look forward to celebrating the first birthday of Brown Sugar Box with you. Oh, it's next month is the 1 year anniversary. This is month 11. So here is the brown sugar magazine for this month. This month is Beauty Secrets from the Motherland, Take Control of Your Health, DIY lip scrubs you need to try, which is funny because right now I have lip scrubs sitting in my shopping cart with a different retailer. Skincare myths we gotta let go. 3 ways to practice self-love. It was originally $138 box value, and now they're saying it's $132. So, okay. So inside the March box, I'm just gonna let you kind of take a look at what's in here, and I bet you can't guess what I'm most excited about. Yep, it is the Pretty Brown Eyes shirt. They have a brown sugar suede tassel clutch, which is probably going to be very similar to another brand that I'm carrying right now, my Duty & Burke Carrington clutch. There is also a Don't Let the Cute Face Fool You compact right there. So another mirror, which is great because I switched purses and I have no clue what happened to my last mirror. And then there is a lip gloss trio set. It appears that the 5-piece brush set and the, what did they say wasn't going to be in this box? Oh, the makeup. Okay. All right. So there should be also a 5-piece makeup brush set, and then this says tassel, but they're going to now be beaded earrings. So let's dig in. All right, so the first item I'm just checking to make sure, and it is sealed, and there you can see NYX. It's got pink fluff dust all over it. And this is the NYX Love in Paris eyeshadow palette, which is great because there are lots of neutrals and browns, so I think that this would actually be really pretty. So that's the first item. The second item is the Ultra Matte Long Lasting Color. This is Izzy and Liv Beauty. And there are 3 colors of long lasting matte. It's a long lasting matte lip color kit. And everything has pink fluff dust on it this month. So this is a really good box. You know, I'm a beauty junkie, so I'm going to dive right in and take a look at these colors because there are swatches across the top of the box. Color swatches. And they say the colors are burnt umber, Persian plum, and flitter. So those are the color swatches here across the top. I don't think that the camera is going to pick up the writing, but let's see. How do you get in here? Okay. These are really pretty colors. I'll have to see how they swatch. Those are really nice colors. So I think that's flitter. This is probably the Persian plum. And this one is the burnt umber. I'll try to get some swatches here in just a minute. These are the seed bead earrings. So in the colors of the African flag. No, because it's missing green. Just nice bright colors. Great for this time of year. The next is Don't Let the Cute Face Fool You. So this will immediately go in my bag because I don't know where my last one is. I'm sure it's in a bag someplace. Oh, this has like a little fabric. What is it finished with? Maybe a little faux leather. And it has a nice little print on there. And it has the dual magnification. The next item. Okay, so they do have the tassel earrings. I will end up gifting these probably to my sister. Not that I don't like them, but I am not a pink girl. So I will pass those along. Maybe put them in my sister's Easter basket. Next is the Micro Suede Brown Sugar Clutch, and this is a really nice size. And it looks like it has a pom-pom tassel on it, but I really like the fact that it has brown sugar embossed on the front. So I don't need the tassels or the charm, so I'm going to take that off because this has gotten actually a little bit matted anyway. But now this I will absolutely use. And there's a zipper here on the top, and it's got strings and stuff from the pom-poms that were attached. And there's the zipper pull. There's a close look at the brown sugar on the front. Love the color. Smooth zipper top. And then no lining in the inside, but a nice size clutch. So here we go. That's really cute. And then the last thing in the box is a white t-shirt, one that I have had, the saying on the shirt is one that I've had my eyes on for the entire time that I've been subscribed to the box. And it's a really nice, soft, white t-shirt that says Pretty Brown Eyes, which I love, and I'm looking forward to that. It's kind of, the writing is not really pink or silver. It's kind of a blush pearlescent silver tone. Can you see that? Very, very nice. So that is it for this month's box. Really nice. Definitely going to use the mirror. Will absolutely use the clutch. I've had a NYX palette before. It was a different color combo, but the browns in here are really good blender, shade color transitions. I think I'll actually use this probably with the exception of the pink because I'm not a pink user. I will most likely gift the earrings because I have very, very sensitive ears. I will absolutely try the lip glosses, and we'll probably put a few of these in my purse to use for next week. And truth be told, I'm probably going to trash this because it's just creating a bunch of dust. And it's got little strings now everywhere. So, I am excited to see what the birthday box for the month of, what is next month? April? See what April box looks like. So, thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.